Rising like a phoenix, a tale of resilience and renewal. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, rise like a phoenix. It's a powerful expression used to describe overcoming challenges and emerging stronger from them. If you're curious about what makes this phrase so special and how you can use it in your own conversations, stay tuned. First, let's explore the mythology behind the phoenix. The phoenix is a mythical bird that is known for its ability to regenerate or be reborn from its ashes. According to legend, when the phoenix nears the end of its life, it sets itself on fire and then rises anew from the ashes, symbolizing rebirth and renewal. This cycle of death and rebirth makes the phoenix a symbol of resilience, transformation, and the undying spirit. When we say someone rises like a phoenix, we're complimenting their ability to bounce back from difficulties or failures stronger and more determined than before. It's about overcoming adversity and showing an impressive capacity for renewal and growth. This phrase can be applied to various situations, from personal challenges and professional setbacks to larger societal issues. To bring this phrase to life, let's look at some examples. After losing his job, Mark started his own successful business, truly rising like a phoenix from his challenging situation. Despite the destruction of their hometown by a natural disaster, the community worked together to rebuild, rising like a phoenix from the ruins. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe personal triumphs and collective resilience. You can use rise like a phoenix in your speech or writing to motivate and inspire. It's especially powerful when talking about overcoming significant obstacles or making a strong comeback. Remember, the key to using this phrase effectively is to connect it with a story of transformation and renewal. We hope this exploration of rise like a phoenix has inspired you to think about your own moments of resilience and renewal. Remember, no matter the challenge, there's always an opportunity to rise like a phoenix. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.